Okay, it is 1:16 p.m. 8/9/2013, calling the Mahnomen County Attorney's Office.
County Attorney's Office.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Oh, I am okay.
Well, that's good. Is Darlene Rivera around?
Darlene is actually in a closed meeting at the moment. I'm not quite sure how long she's going to be.
Okay. Is there another assistant county attorney around then?
Rebecca is available. Katie's actually in the same meeting. So did you want to go ahead and speak to her?
Rebecca, yes, that'd be perfect.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, can I ask who's calling? I'm sorry.
Sure, it's Terry Nemmers.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, sure. Hold on 1 second. Hey, this is Rebecca.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Well, I'm doing super. Can't complain on a beautiful sunshiny day like today.
Great.
Well, anyhow, I've got a question here. I submitted a data request, back in December, I guess it was, to the Sheriff's Department for incident report, police report, pictures, audio for William McArthur, or William Ross McArthur. And after all sorts of turmoil, I actually finally received the information. And it's case number 120000504, and that was reported on 2/21/2012. Well, anyhow, in the report it says that there's multiple pictures, but I only received one. And actually I didn't receive any pictures, let's put it that way. I received a photocopy of a picture, and the report says there's multiple pictures. Also, the report has his Social Security number not redacted. Let's see.
Can I put you on hold for 1 minute?
Sure. Yeah, I was speaking to Rebecca, and she...
Yeah, and Rebecca had to go for a meeting, and we actually do not have any comments at this time.
Well, I'm trying to get some answers why I didn't get my information from this data request.
I honestly have no idea what you're talking about, sir. I really don't.
Well, that's the thing. I was speaking with the assistant county attorney, trying to get this information to relay it to her. she puts me on hold, and after a long time, then you get on the phone and say you got no comment.
No, we have no comment. I honestly have no idea what you were talking about, and we don't have any comments, and Rebecca had to go down for a meeting that she was scheduled for.
Well, you didn't make any mention of that previously.
I'm sorry, I didn't talk to you the first time.
Well, the first lady I spoke to said she was available. There was another meeting that someone else was at, but she was free.
So, yes, and Rebecca had a meeting she had to go down for. I am sorry that, she's not available to talk to you at this moment, but that's the way it is.
Well, then I want to leave the information with you then.
Okay.
So that's, okay, I'll start from the very beginning then. There was some information from a case number 120000504 that I requested in a data request from the sheriff, and after much turmoil I received part of my information. All right, because I asked for all pictures, and I didn't receive a picture. I received a photocopy of a picture when the report says there's multiple pictures. Okay? The Social Security number of William Ross McArthur, is not redacted from the report. All right? And also it says in the report that this Tiffany Clark told dispatch at White Earth Police that she was going to grab a gun and shoot me. Dispatch told her not to, and she hung up then. As far as I'm concerned, that's a terroristic threat. And also, in this police report from Mahnomen, it says, I was leaving, I don't know how do you pronounce it, N-A-Y, not a Washwa, when I saw White Earth Police Sergeant LaRoque in the complex parking lot. I stopped him and asked him if he knew of any of his officers taking a report from Tiffany Clark regarding Will McArthur in custody of their 3 kids. Sergeant LaRoque says he saw a report on it with White Earth officer Renee Benson. Okay? It says later, I called White Earth Dispatch and had them fax over a copy of Benson's report. And Dispatch told me that she didn't write up much of a report, but Dispatch would send it over that they had for the case. I received the fax from White Earth Dispatch, and Officer Benson didn't write a report regarding Clark and McArthur. Well, it appears that there's some shenanigans going on here between Mahnomen and White Earth, And it's pretty strange, since I was reading an article from Minnesota Public Radio. It says, White Earth pushes for more control of law enforcement by Dan Gunderson, October 13th, 2010. And it says, they're quoting the former Mahnomen County Attorney Julie Brueggemann. The tribe wants to not have equal rights. They want to have above the rights of anyone else, she said. They want some people prosecuted, not others. So there's a fight between what they want and what they say they want. Well, it appears it's got the same thing going on at your operation there, because I think there's some real problems with me not getting the data I requested. I think that's against the law, isn't it?
Actually, I couldn't tell you. I mean, I really can't.
Well,
I don't know. I mean, I'm not an attorney, so I don't know.
Well, that's why I was trying to talk to Rebecca Church, and she runs off when I start mentioning these dirty little details. So that's, I guess, I don't appreciate being essentially hung up on by her, and then she runs off and lawyers up as far as I can see. Because I don't believe that she went to a meeting. I believe she scurried off, and there was a...
Honestly, she is at a meeting.
I don't care. I'm sure she's talking to the county attorney right now, having a discussion why she shouldn't be talking to me. That's what the meeting is.
And you can believe me or not, that is fine.
I don't believe you.
I can get your name and number, give the message, pass it along, and that's all I can do.
Okay, well, my name is Terry, T-E-R-R-Y.
Okay.
Nemers, N as in Nancy, E, M as in Mary, M as in Mary, E-R-S, and my phone number is 320-283-5713. 5713? Yes, and I...
Okay, and who are you calling with?
Who am I calling with?
Yeah, I mean, are you with paper? Are you with an organization.
Well, A, that's none of your business, and B, I already told you who I was.
Honestly, I didn't talk to you the last time. I don't know. This is why I asked you your name.
Well, it's none of your business anyhow.
Okay, well, just so you know, I'm going to be hanging up now, all right? Goodbye.